What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here is a scripted art. So in today's video, I'll be taking us through dollar arbitrage using Binance. 2 days ago I made a video on how to perform dollar arbitrage using the Binance crypto exchange. Okay, so if you've not subscribed to this channel, what you have to do is you have to click on the subscription button beneath this video. Then you also need to turn on the notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I drop any video. Like I said the other time, if you want to perform crypto arbitrage, you have to have a crypto exchange to be able to perform arbitrage. There are various exchanges you can use, like crypto exchange you can use, and decide to use Binance, Bitmart, Bybit, you can use KuCoin and lots of exchanges like that. If you check my channel, I made video on how to create your Bybit account. Okay, this was the video I made, how to create your Bybit account and how to verify your Bybit account also. How to create a Kraken exchange. This is also a crypto exchange, so you can use this exchange to perform crypto arbitrage. If you don't have a Binance account, so you can just watch this video on how to create your own Binance account and how to verify your Binance account. Okay guys, I'll be getting into today's video. I'll just be going over to Binance. Like I said the other time, for you to perform crypto arbitrage, you must have a verified account. That's your crypto exchange needs to be verified. So you see my account is already verified right now. I'll just be going back. Okay, the reason why we perform crypto arbitrage is just for us to make profit. So what we do is we buy cryptocurrency at a very low price, then we are selling it at an higher price on other exchange. So that is what crypto arbitrage just means. So in today's video, I'll be taking us through on how to perform crypto arbitrage using dollar against a local currency, which is NGN. So I'll be taking you through that right now, and you can also perform this transaction for your normal dollar, that is USDT against USD, and also use this method to perform this transaction with USDT against USD. Okay, so the main reason is just for us to make profits. That is why we perform crypto arbitrage. You see, I'm having some amount of USDT in my wallet right now. I'm having about 57 USDT in my wallet. Okay, so if I decide to sell it off from Binance, I'll be seeing the amount I'll be receiving. So I can just go over to this sell area. So once I click on sell, then I want to sell the total amount I'm having. So you see the amount I'll be receiving now. We're receiving this amount. Before this transaction will be completed, I'll also be charged some network fee. Like you see the network fee here, and if I want to make withdrawal for my Binance account, I'll be charged a merchant fee. But the method I'll be showing us, you won't be charged any fee. So it's you that will be making profits. You'll be making massive profit by using this method I'm going to be showing you. So you just have to stay tuned to the end. Okay, now let's say you are not having USDT in your wallet. What you have to do is you have to go ahead to make a recharge of NGN to buy USDT. Because today's cryptocurrency we'll be using to perform crypto arbitrage is USDT. Okay, so let's say you're in Nigeria, then you want to buy USDT. What you have to do is you have to make recharge of NGN into your Binance account. I already made video on how to make deposit into your Binance account, that is making deposit of NGN into your Binance account. So when you come out to the wallet area, you have to go out to this sports area. Then when you come out to the sports area, you have to go ahead to search for NGN. You have to go ahead to search for NGN. I'll just search for NGN here. You see NGN is coming up. Then I'll just select NGN. So we'll be seeing the withdraw button and also the deposit button. Let's say you're not having any balance here, so you have to make a recharge. Just click on the deposit button. Then you'll be taken over to the area whereby you'll be asked to make a deposit. So you can just go ahead to click on this continue button. When you click on that, then you'll be taken over to the area whereby you'll be asked to make a recharge. So I can just decide to make a recharge of 100,000. Let's say I want to make a recharge of 100,000 into my wallet. So you see the network fee I'll be charged. I'll be charging network fee, a merchant fee of 400 naira. Okay, so I'll be receiving this amount. Then I'll just click on this continue button. So I have to make the recharge. After you made the recharge, you see the amount you recharge will be added to your balance. You'll be seeing it here that the amount has already reflected in your NGN wallet on Binance. After you made the recharge of NGN into your Binance account, what you have to do is you have to go out to this trade area. Then you have to go out to select the USDT against NGN. So we'll be buying USDT using NGN. Let's say I already made a recharge of 96,600 naira into my wallet already. So I'll be seeing it at this available balance. So it's going to be showing at this available balance. I just have to go ahead to enter the amount I want to buy. So I can just use the total amount I'm having. Let's say I'm having this total amount. So you see the amount I'll be receiving. So I'll be receiving this amount, 94.6 USDT. It will be credited into my wallet, it will be credited here. You can also decide to like buy USDT by just going over to this convert area. Just click on the convert area. What we do at this convert area is just for transactions that are below $5. So if you're performing transactions that are below $5, you can make use of this convert area. But if your transaction amount is more than $5, so you can make use of the spot section at the trade area I was showing us the other time. Okay, so what you do here is you just have to select NGN here, guys. You have to select NGN. After you've selected NGN, you have to select the currency you want to convert to. So let's say I want to convert to USDT. So I just have to enter the amount I've recharged. So let's say I've recharged this amount. So you see the amount I'll be receiving. So I just have to click on this preview conversion. Then I'll click on complete transaction. But this place you'll be charged some network fee. So it's still okay, you go with this one. So you can just come out to the spot area. Since your transaction is above $5. Okay. So once you've entered the amount, then you'll be seeing the amount you'll be receiving. So I'll be receiving $94.6. After you've converted your NGN to USDT, the next thing you have to do is you have to start performing the crypto arbitrage to make money. Okay, so let me just show something here. Let's say I already bought USDT. Okay, so you see, if I want to sell this amount of USDT I bought from Binance, I'll be receiving this amount. That's 99,350 naira. This is the amount I'll be receiving. So I won't be making any profit here because I made a recharge of 100,000 naira. So you know the merchant charge 400 naira. That means I still made a recharge of 100,000 naira. I'm supposed to make more profit than this 100,000 naira. This is where crypto arbitrage comes in. Okay, my initial deposit was 100,000 naira. When I was depositing, I was charged 400 naira. So let's say my initial deposit was 100,000 naira. But yeah, if I'm selling this amount of USDT, you see I'll be in loss. I'll be in loss of 700 naira and I won't be making any profit. This is not crypto arbitrage. So what we have to do is, you see the present worth of 1 USDT. That is 1 USDT is going for 1,050 naira on Binance. Okay, so once you've gotten the rate here, then you see that the rate is kind of low. Okay, so we just have to go out to this. In my next video, I'll be taking us through how to perform crypto arbitrage using BTC, using ETH, and other cryptocurrency like that. So you just have to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Also share this video. So I'll just be taking us through the crypto arbitrage right now. I'll go over to this. Then let's go over to this P2P area. So what this P2P means is just that this way merchants perform buying and selling transaction. That is, I can decide to come over here to sell my cryptocurrency to other merchants. I can also come over here to buy cryptocurrency from other merchants here. Okay, so let me just go out to this sell area since we are performing the selling transaction of our USDT. So you'll be seeing here the current rate on this peer-to-peer area is 1,093 naira, but on Binance the rate is 1,050 naira. But here let's just round it up to 1,090 naira. So you see I'll still be making a profit of 40 naira upon this transaction. So this is what crypto arbitrage simply means. You buying cryptocurrency at a low price. So I bought USDT at this price, at this rate, then I'm selling it off. I want to sell it off at this price. So you see I'll be making a profit of 40 naira upon this transaction. Okay, so let me just go out to my calculator. On Binance the other time, you see the rate was 1,050 naira and I was having about 94.6 USDT. So you see I was supposed to receive this amount on Binance. Let's say I'm using the peer-to-peer section. So you see the amount I'll be receiving. Let me just delete this. Okay, so you see I'll make a profit of about 3,500 naira upon this transaction. So this is where crypto arbitrage comes in. You just buying cryptocurrency at a low price, then you're selling it off at an higher price. You can decide to perform this for so many times. Let's say you want to like perform it for like 10 times in a day. That is your profit. So let's say I'm making a profit of 3,100 naira per day. For 10 times, you see I'll be making this amount in total within a day. Okay, so within a day I'll be making this amount in total within a day. So what you just have to do is you have to come over to Binance to buy USDT. Okay, so after you bought USDT, just go over to the peer-to-peer section. The first thing when you come over here is you have to check if the price here is high. So if the price here is higher than Binance price, then you can go to perform the transaction. But let's say the price here is kind of low to Binance price, so you won't be able to perform the transaction. What you have to do is you have to wait till Binance price reduces. Okay, once Binance prices reduces, you see that this price here is going to be increasing. Okay, so this is where crypto arbitrage comes in. So now I'll be taking you through on how to do that right now. After you found your wallet with NGN, just go over to the trade section to buy USDT. So once you bought USDT like that, the next thing you have to do is you have to transfer your USDT from your sports area to the funding. Since we are performing transaction on the merchant area, that is the peer-to-peer section, that you have to transfer our fund from sports to funding. Okay, I'll just click on this transfer button at this sports area. After you've clicked on that, you see you're transferring from sports to funding. Select the currency you want to transfer. So let's say I want to transfer the maximum amount. I'll click on this confirm transfer. The amount has been transferred to my funding. The amount has been reflected in my funding, so I can go ahead to perform the transaction right now. Okay, I'll just go back to this home. After transferring it to your funding, just come back to this home. Then go back to this peer-to-peer section. And there are some of us that the currency here will be showing USD. Just come over here to change it back to NGN. Okay, so you see we'll be having USD and NGN. So you just select NGN since the transaction we're performing is on NGN. But if you're performing the transaction on USD, just select USD. Then you have to add your USDT address like USD mode of receiving payments. So I'll just be going with NGN. That is, I want to receive the amount. I want to perform the transaction into my bank account. I want the money to be sent into my bank account. Okay, after you come out to the peer-to-peer section, just go out to the sell area. That is, I want to sell our USDT to some merchants here just to make profit. That's the reason why we're performing this transaction. Okay, so now you see the rate of this person, you see the limit, this person is performing transaction from. Okay, so if you see that the limit is kind of high to the amount you want to perform, just go over to this filter area, then enter the amount you want to transact with. Let's say you want to transact with 10,000 naira. Then click on this confirm button. You'll be seeing merchants that are performing transaction from 10,000 naira above. So you'll be seeing his rate is from 1,070 naira. As upon this transaction, you'll be making a profit of 26 naira upon this transaction. Okay, so let me just go over to my calculator. Okay, since I bought, let's say I bought 10,000 naira worth of USDT, as I'm receiving 9.46 USDT times this amount on Binance. I'll be receiving this amount on Binance. But if I'm performing the transaction on the merchant area, so I'll be receiving this amount. You see, I'll still be making a profit of about 250 naira upon this transaction because the amount I'm performing transaction is low. Let's say you're performing the crypto arbitrage with a large amount of money, so you see the amount you'll be receiving. Let's say I'm performing the transaction with 946 USDT times the current rate on Binance. So you see I'll be receiving this amount if I'm performing the transaction on Binance. If I should come over to the merchant area, that is the peer-to-peer section, the rate for prices like this is 1,090 naira. So you see I'll be making a profit of 31,000 naira upon this transaction. So if you're performing transaction with a large amount of money, you see the profits you'll be making. Okay, so I'll just be going back. While performing the transaction, you have to make sure that you're not at the losing end. Okay, so you have to make profits. That's the reason why we're performing crypto arbitrage. This is the rate for 10,000 naira above. Let's say I want to go with a much more higher amount. So let's say I'm going with this amount. Okay, so let's say I'm going with this amount. That's 30,000 naira. I'll click on this confirm button. So you'll be seeing the rate. The rate is increasing as the amount is increasing. Let's say I'm transacting with 500,000 naira. So you see, I'll just click on this confirm button. Then you see the rate also. Okay, that's upon this transaction, I'll be making a profit of 30 naira upon this transaction. Okay, now so guys, let's just get started right now. I want to perform the crypto arbitrage right now. So what I will just do is I will enter the amount I want to transact with. Let's say I want to transact with this amount. I'll just click on this confirm button. Then you'll be seeing the rates of every merchant here. You see this one rate. So what I will just do is I will go over to click on this sell. This I've confirmed the transaction, and you'll be seeing the completion rate is 90.6%. See this one completion rate is 98.6%. See a lot of them with their completion rate, but yeah, you'll be seeing this one price. This one price is still higher. So what I will do here is I can decide to go with this guy. There's this first merchant here. I'll click on this sell. Okay, after I've clicked on this sell, I want to perform the transaction with crypto. But if you want to go with fiat, that is, you can decide to go with fiat, but I'll be going with crypto. So I just enter the amount. If I enter the amount, you see the total amount I'll be receiving here. I can just go to click on this sell USDT. But before that, I need to select the payment method. Okay, let me just go back to my calculator. Okay, so on Binance, let's say the transaction fee is this. Then Then how to sell this amount I'm having by receiving this amount into my bank account. But coming over to the peer-to-peer section, you see I'll be making a profit of 2,000 naira upon this transaction. So this is what crypto arbitrage means. So you buying cryptocurrency at a low price, then you're selling it off at an higher price. You can just decide to click on the sell USDT. So what I will just do here is, since I already know the amount I'll be receiving as my profit, okay, so I'll be receiving this as my profit. So what I just have to do is I'll select my payment method. But if you've not added your payment method, you see in a section here whereby you'll be asked to add your payment method as your bank account. Just click on this sell USDT. So I'm selling USDT to this person. I'm selling it to this person. So it's going to be making a payment of this. Once you have made the payment, I'll click on this payment received. I was being asked to release the cryptocurrency to the merchant. You already made the payment into my OP account, so you see the payment I just received. Okay, so I made a profit of 2,000 naira upon this transaction. But let's say you're going with much more better amount, so you'll be making much more than this. And let's say you made a deposit of this amount, that's 600,000 naira, so you'll be making a profit of 20,000 naira upon this transaction, or more than 20,000 naira upon the transaction. So after you've received the payment like that, what you have to do is you have to click on this payment received. Then I'll click on this I have received and verify the payment. So I'll click on this confirm release. So we are releasing this crypto to the person. Then I will send the verification code to confirm the transaction. I just have to go over to my email to confirm. Here I have the code. I'll just copy the code. Then I'll go back to Binance. Once I come out to Binance, I'll paste in the code. So you see that I've successfully sold this amount to the person. I made my profit already. Okay, let me go back to my calculator. I want to show something. The initial amount I was supposed to receive on Binance was this. Because I performed the transaction using the peer-to-peer method, I ended up receiving a profit of 2,000 naira upon this transaction. So you can do this for so many times as possible. But you have to take note while performing this transaction. You have to note that the price on Binance is low and the price on the peer-to-peer section is high. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly like, share, comment, and also remember to subscribe. Have a nice day guys. Stay tuned for more updates.